Welcome to the Spartan machinery, the global leader in automated brick and block manufacturing systems. In today's fast-changing world, automation is the future of construction, and Spartan is leading that revolution. Our machines integrate robotic lifting arms, auto material feeding, and intelligent batching systems, creating a seamless, touch-free production line from start to finish. By combining heavy-duty hydraulic systems with high-speed vibration motors, Spartan machines deliver precision, productivity, and profitability. From fly ash bricks to paver blocks, solid blocks to hollow blocks, one Spartan system does it all. Trusted in 15+ countries, our machines are powering smart cities, infrastructure projects, and industrial units across the globe. The Spartan machinery, automation that builds nations.